Welcome back. Today we're tackling a really exciting project using Midjourney to create comic strips and graphic novels. We'll cover how to shape your story concept, bring characters to life, and design panels that flow seamlessly. Everything you need to get your comic vision ready to hit the page. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to enhance your comic making skills. Let's dive in. Every great comic or graphic novel starts with a solid concept and storyboard. This phase helps map out the narrative flow, key scenes, and character roles, creating a strong foundation. Now let's begin with a prompt to brainstorm plot points, character personalities, and the key moments we want to feature in our story. All right, so here's the prompt that I come up with right here. 3 panel comic story concept for a fantasy adventure comic for an archer and the wizard. Takes place in an enchanted forest to find a lost artifact. I want to describe the main scenes briefly for each panel. All right, now let's send this off now. Okay, now that the prompt is sent, MidJourney will generate a supposed breakdown of the scenes. So storyboarding is about getting the main beats down. So let's see how our plot structure turns out. Okay, the process might take a while as usual with the image rendering from MidJourney. All right, as you'll see here, pretty cool how it turned out, right? See over here? Over here, some of these have 2 panels, one here. This is really 3 panels that follow the prompt. You could just refresh it or tweak out your prompt right here just in case, but nonetheless, it came out great. So, with these concepts, we could start envisioning how each scene will flow into the next. So, with this, it gives us a guide for developing the action and the emotions we want each panel to evoke. Now, on to designing the characters that will bring this storyboard to life. Character design is crucial. It's how readers connect with the story. Midjourney can help us shape unique character appearances and a consistent visual style that aligns with our story. Now, let's craft a prompt that captures the essence of our elven archer, sorry about that, and a rogue wizard from the previous segment that we did, making sure they're visually engaging and memorable. All right, so let's whip this up right here. There we go. Made sure it added a few more details with the eyes and the color style and such, and the aesthetic that fits with the comic theme. All right, so let's send this off and let Midjourney with all the image rendering process. Okay, so, this will give us unique, high quality character designs that we can apply throughout our comic. Character consistency is key for graphic novels. So, once we have these initial designs, we can use them as references in later prompts. Alright, this might take a while, but not for a long time. Okay, we got already the prompt. Okay, here we go. And then, yeah, look at these. So we've got visually striking and consistent characters that will be recognizable from panel to panel. See, their image ideas right there, and another one right here. See, pretty cool. See, everything detailed and the quality, very aesthetically pleasing to our eyes, though. Now, let's move forward to creating the individual comic panels and building the layout. But before that, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. So, now that we have our storyboard and characters, it's time to bring the scenes to life by generating images for each panel. The layout of a comic strip or a graphic novel is critical. It controls the pace and keeps readers engaged. Now, let's craft a prompt to generate specific scenes for each panel in a way that flows and builds suspense. Okay, so here's what I got through this prompt right here. There we go. I said panel 1, then I made it was a bit detailed. Then panel 2 right here. Then goes for panel 3. So it all depends on how Midjourney would render the images, if it would be close to the prompt itself, but we'll see. All right, let's send this off. Now. Okay, so with this prompt, it will create unique visuals for each scene, while it would keep a consistent style across the panels, that is. So the goal here is to see how these panels flow. Well, it all depends on the results that Midjourney would turn out. So, in the way it would set up tension and action through each stage. Well. As you can see, even though it's not the amount of panels that I required, it still gives off the details of the story that I gave out in the prompt. So as you'll see, these panels are quite dynamic and have a great energy from what you can see right here. See? They look really good here. There we go. So each one captures a specific moment. This would draw the reader further into the story. See how cool it is? Creating space for dialogue is vital in comics, as it guides readers and sets the tone without overwhelming visuals. Instead of adding text directly, since usually with the image rendering from Midjourney, the text can, get a little muddled up as usual when it comes to AI generating text in images. Well, why not we use Midjourney to generate panels with empty dialog boxes and bubbles? Well, with this, it gives us clear areas, sorry about that, areas to add dialogue later, which keeps the visuals organized and allows the flexibility in the what says with the empty bubbles and stuff. Okay, now here's the prompt that I've put together right here. There we go. And now let's send this off. There we go. Now we wait. So with this prompt, it could focus on creating visuals with space specifically for dialog boxes. With empty bubbles, we can easily add text in a way that's tailored to each scene. So it all depends on how the image rendering would do. And so, as you can see right here, look at how the results came out. Looks like it came off nice than I expected here. Specifically this one, right over here. See? Now we have clear organized spaces for the dialogue that don't interfere with the artwork itself. See? This approach keeps the comic flow smooth and it could allows us to add dialogue as needed. And with that, you're all set to start building your own comic with Midjourney. We've gone over storyboarding, character design, layouts, and now with this one, the text integration. Looks like you're ready for your own creative journey with this. Thanks for following along on this comic creation journey with Midjourney. Remember to check out the pinned comment for additional resources and let us know in the comments if you've made your own comic or graphic novel. And with that, have a good day, everyone.